We get a lot of new rumors of the 2018 iPhones, including features for Face ID that we really want. The price tag for the LG G7 ThinQ emerges a few days ahead of its possible launch in the US, and it looks like we should be expecting a BlackBerry KEY2, and very soon. I'm Jaime Rivera, and you know what's funny? Diego's only been doing this for a few months and he's already run out of jokes. Help him out in the comments. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with, okay, we're going to call them deals because they are, but oh my god. So I do consider that the Pixelbook is the most overpriced computer out there. It doesn't change the fact that it's gorgeous and that every person that I talk to that has one loves it. So for Mother's Day, it's $100 off. But it's still scratching $1,000. It's $899 now, and then for the, up tier variant, which I have no idea why you would ever do that. It's $1,600. So again, if you're in the market for an overpriced Chromebook that's actually really cool, link in the description. Now let's talk about LG and the G7 ThinQ. Expect our review coming this week for the phone. Our retail variant is in. We hadn't brought you a review before because it was a prototype. Thing about it is, well, I love going to LG events and them not providing any price tags. So we had to calculate from the Korean recent announcement, and if you convert that price, it comes to around $700, which is pretty much what the G6 would cost. If you're in the market for that phone, that's what it'll cost you. Now that I've been testing the final unit, I really like the phone actually. Now let's talk about the BlackBerry KEY2. Yes, KEY2 is apparently the name of the next BlackBerry KEY1. Apparently there are some major design changes, dual cameras, and for those of you that are wondering when it'll launch, I'm one of them. Apparently it's very soon. It's already being certified by the Wi-Fi Allegiance and also Bluetooth SIG, so it's only a matter of time. I would say probably weeks, but hey, that's just my speculation. Since we already talked about the LG G7 ThinQ, this is rather interesting. Apparently, the manufacturer for the LCDs of the LCD variant of the iPhone will be LG, and it'll be the panel with the RGBW pixel arrangement that we see in the G7 ThinQ. That's probably one of the things that I like the most about this phone. Even if it's an LCD, wow, it is extremely vibrant. It's gorgeous. But yeah, apparently this LCD is coming. Now bear in mind, apparently this phone is going to be a little thicker because the LCD technology requires a little extra space to accommodate it. Can't wait to hear more. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the iPhone X 2018. We already talked about the LCD iPhone. Let's talk about the OLED ones, particularly the iPhone X Plus. Apparently, this phone is going to be huge. How huge? I mean, the iPhone 8 Plus is an extremely large phone. I would consider it almost too large for my hands. It scratches right there with the Galaxy Note 8. And still, apparently this phone is going to be all displayed. So it's 6.5 inches diagonal, but apparently it'll take up all the same screen real estate that we currently have with the, body real estate that we currently have with the iPhone 8 Plus. So imagine an iPhone 8 Plus that's all screen. That is huge. And then apparently in the case of the iPhone X, the regular variant that's going to get a revamp, it's going to remain the same size. And then the LCD iPhone is going to be somewhere in the middle. This is all great. Most important, Face ID. Apparently, you're now going to be able to unlock your phone while horizontal. Thank you. But that's not the only thing that's coming with the new update, but we're still waiting to hear more. They just weren't specific. In today's question, let us know. What do you think? Would you be interested in an iPhone X Plus that's all screen? Because in my case, oh my god, give me the notch any day if you give me a screen that large. But that's my opinion. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know yours. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. It's completely free to subscribe. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the camera of the Samsung Galaxy S9 down here. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.